Presenting a pre-owned 2014 Porsche Cayenne S Hybrid. This four-door SUV has a six-cylinder, 3.0-liter V6 engine with all-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Porsche is a great value with less than 15,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 20 miles per gallon in the city and 24 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, wireless data link, moonroof, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.